Hey guys! In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a cool looking thumbnail on iOS and Android for 100% free. I will show you how to get the app and how to edit the thumbnail so it looks its best. Now, let's get started. I have an iPhone, so I'm using the App Store to get the PicsArt app, which is the app we're going to use to make the thumbnail, and it is 100% free with some in-app purchases, but they're not necessary to use. And just download it. It should only take 1 minute, and you can also get it on the Google Play Store on Android. Before we make the thumbnail, let's look at some good thumbnails on YouTube. This is the thumbnail of Mr. Beast's newest video. As you can see, in 6 days, it got 33 million views. And in this thumbnail, it is very engaging because it shows Mr. Beast's backpack with lots of money and somebody trying to chase him. And this makes the viewer want to click on the thumbnail. So when we make our thumbnail, we want it to be interesting, look professional, or just aesthetic and cool looking. Now back to PicsArt. What you want to do is you want to press X on all of the PicsArt Gold membership ads because you won't need that for this video, and press the plus button, which is located at the bottom of the screen. Once you press the plus button, it'll take you to the screen like this, and what you want to do is you can either select color backgrounds as white or select the actual image of what you want. In this example, I'm selecting the actual image of a sloth stuffed animal I have. Now we have to change the image resolution to 16 by 9, because if we make it a different resolution, then it won't fit in the YouTube thumbnail. So you have to press fit and then select 16 to 9, and we have these white bars on the side, which I don't like. So to remove it, go to Tools, which is on the left side of the scroll bar, press it, and select Crop. Now you can press 16 to 9 on the toolbar and select which part of the thumbnail you want to make. Now let's move on to the other part of the thumbnail, adding text. Press the text button at the bottom of the screen, and you can type whatever you want. Right now, I just made up a random name called The Life of a Sloth. And once you type that in, you can customize the size, the font, and you can also add borders and highlights. Now you can customize the font and the font size. Keep on scrolling until you find a font you like, but it can't have that crown logo on the next to it because that is for PicsArt Gold members. I found a font I like, so now I'm resizing it by pinching and dragging it, and now I will move it to the top right side of the screen. Right now it's a little hard to see, so let's add a border, which is the stroke button, and I'm setting the amount to 100%. You can also change the font later on if you want, and I'm doing that right now. You can press the text button and add an emoji, so it'll be like an image on the side of the screen. And I'm adding a sloth emoji, and I'll put it on the bottom right, and boom, we have a complete thumbnail. I'm going to show you two cool features on PicsArt. First is the sticker option. Press sticker, and then type something on the search bar. I just typed basketball. Now you can select an image that you like as long as it doesn't have a crown logo next to it because that's for PicsArt Gold. Now I inserted the basketball logo in my thumbnail, and you can change the size, rotate it. It's really cool. There are many different things you can search up on PicsArt, like video games, dogs, etc. You can also add an image. Press add image and then select an image from your camera roll. I selected an image of my dog and her friend, and you can do many things with it, like rotate it, increase the size, move it, and crop it. I just wanted to show you these two things because they can make your thumbnail look a lot better. This is a thumbnail we made for my dog's channel, and we also made it using PicsArt, and it looks pretty good because we were giving a review of a dog toy. That's all for today's video. If you have any questions, make sure to comment because I reply to a lot of my comments. And if you're new to the channel, make sure to drop a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.